Chief Minister Biren Singh said with the development being brought in the state under the leaderships of Prime Minister Narendra Modi, many states in the country continues to give respect to Manipur state. Chief Minister Biren made the statement during BJP's 42nd Foundations Day celebrations at Thambal Sanglen in Nitai Pachutek today. It may be mentioned that BJP was founded by Shyama Prasad Mukherjee and Deen Dayal Upadhyay with an aim to establish a united nation. The celebration was attended by BJP-led government ministers, MLAs and the party's state president and other key members of the party. Party flag was also hoisted at the party office, and a public role in connections with the 42nd Foundation celebrations was also marched from Thambal Sanglen, passing through Pauna Bajar.
Karikatra moina ekoi karikatra mayam punamaki aidagi nungaiba aduguma namitamani aduguma nimpugo ni thoirak suba Bharatiya Janata Party linkatibagi foundation ki karamba Bharatiya Janata Party aduguma Deen Dayal Upadhyay laitalaira wana mayam bharata laiba yaroi laitalaira wana mayam punamak yokhala kanda akanba afaba samana bharat musem gudabna Karamba BJP adugumba Shyama Prasad Mukherjee pokhiba aduna karamba Kashmir bu Bharat dagi machip taki gadore khanbadagi Article 370 mayokta bawya roe nasala kanda adum sacrifice okhiba adugumba Deen Upadhyay amadi Shyama Prasad Mukherjee Ani ki issue makala pudega party sigi karikata amo ina ngasi akoina sahi nimpu gi batungda akoina thok to go phangja se masigi nungai bodama imiam da bijani karikata puna makda BJP ki karikata amo ina sau thuk chabudo madu bijari loina ano boda Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji na 2014 India ki Prime Minister matungda India the Bharatiya Janata Party ki thang the live changes India bu prithvi ki oiba super force in mark yamna black population leiba yamna ବ୍ୟବହାର to bodunda leiba kam leiba aduga leiki deba sidi Atal Bihari Vajpayee ki matamda yamna force I get koina semam lambi gi Bharat ki apun satam saganna bagi wakru hari ba mayam se khalu rakanda ei samak aduga Bharatiya Janata Party ki karikata amone sok sei habisi mai ne amana message bijani
Bharatiya Janata Party ki nifut nithoirak suba mapok kumon na lakpasida Bharatiya Janata Party ki integral humanism da base tauba punamak manana yengba haiba wakhalol ga loinana Bharatiya Janata Party ki kathoba karyakarta singna sahili sangsitna aikoi praja gi ihul khangna seba tawjarakpa loinana praja singna Bharatiya Janata Party da thajabiba thambidana ngasi Bharatiya Janata Party na Bharat ki mafam ayambada aikoi praja sing seba tawna bagi tanja phangjaba adugumba Bharat ki praja sing maroina Manipur ki praja sing goina ahan mamakta da thoidok hendokna Bharatiya Janata Party ki mapok kumon ga mari leinana nipuni thorak suba kumon ga mari leinana aina mayamda thoidok hendokna thagat pa phongdok chari aduga loinana ngasi Bharatiya Janata Party na Bharat na mang da thamlaga haibadi ehaki country na mang da thamlaga jati kandaba yade haiba amadi iramdam kandaba yade haiba wakhal lol ga loinana ngasi Bharatiya Janata Party na praja gi seba tawjarakpana ngasi Manipur da su praja singna amukka hanna Bharatiya Janata Party da sabka saath sabka vikas haibadugi makha tarakpada sabka biswas saidana handak hogiba tarani thoi suba state assembly election da Bharatiya Janata Party bu majority ama oihanbidana praja gi seba phangnana bagi chauba khudong chaba amasu amuk hanna pibi bagi damakta su thoidok hendokna amuk hanna thagat chari loin